Kajabi vs Clickfunnels. Before you buy any of them, I need to talk to you. Hello, my name is Fredrik and I'm a rapid video marketer. I like to create videos and market videos really fast, and I don't like when things don't go my way and things takes a lot of time. And that's why I want to talk to you before you buy Kajabi or Clickfunnels, because if you're going to use these kind of systems, there is a learning curve in the beginning, but don't even think of using all the features in the beginning, because you are going to get overwhelmed and you are going to get slow up and things are not progressing as you want them to be. And that's why you need to just have a simple plan in the beginning. Right now, for me, for example, my plan is to create lots of videos really fast, lots of videos with great content. So I will get subscriber on my YouTube channel and I will get leads to my website. And I have Kajabi. I chose Kajabi mainly because one of my friends said it was fantastic. He had analyzed a lot of those programs like Kartra, ClickFunnels and other programs, and he just fell in love with Kajabi because it was so easy to operate and to understand. And I think also now that I have learned Kajabi, that it's pretty simple. I built my start page in like 30 minutes. But I'm also using it, I'm not building any funnels. I'm not creating all these difficult funnels, up and down, upsells and downsells and all of that. Because I'm not focused on that right now. I'm not ready for that. My goal is to create videos, and my website now is to be able to collect leads. And then when I see that the leads are coming in, I will slowly build it up and most likely build some funnels also. So that's my very important message to you before you buy any of this system. You got to be prepared that it's a learning curve. It takes some time to understand it. But in the meantime, you need to focus on your plan, or what is your plan? That is what you're going to focus on. So click the links below and check them out even more. I use Kajabi. I like it very much. It's a little bit cheaper, but I have heard so much good of ClickFunnels also. But as I said, that is not the problem. The problem is you taking action and taking small step action towards your goals and dreams. Now, wrap this up. It's getting a bit of a long video. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. If you want to learn more to create videos rapidly, visit rapidvideomarketer.com. Until next time, have a good day.